Proving here with T-Build product, it's a 6mm and it has an IXP backing, and that reduces mould and bacteria under the floor. As you can see, it's 100% waterproof, so it can stay in there all the time. It will do no damage at all. The click system is a Unilink click. You're stocking 3 colours. It's all scratch proof, it's bleach proof. Now on the core, that is made 70% cement, 30% polymer. So that's why it's 100% waterproof. So there's no expansion needed because it's like a ceramic tile. With laminate, you have to put all the scotia around the edge. This, you go up to it, we leave a couple of mil just for the building, and then silicone around the edge. It's a lot more neater. We only allow 2 or 3, and that's for the building. So when you ever lay on the floor, go in at 45, and then it clicks down like that, and that's it. You always do it random like bricks. You keep the joints always in different areas, so it's much more stronger. It's that simple, so anyone can lay it. If you're doing straight cuts, you can do it with a Stanley and just snap it. If you're going around architrave doors, you just need a jigsaw.